What's going on, wrestling fans? We are back with another WWE news update, and today we have a packed show from WWE and the wider wrestling world. We are talking about WWE possibly bringing back a once-banned wrestler, the company trying to rebuild its struggling tag team division, John Cena revealing a strict new WWE policy for himself, one WWE star responding to Backlash, the real reason house shows are coming back, ticket price talk, a premium live event still going ahead, WWE officials praising a controversial angle, Aleister Black getting buried in a huge interview, and Goldberg shutting down rumors about one more match. So let's get straight into the first story, because this update has the kind of mix WWE news channels love: returns, backstage heat, business talk, fan backlash, and a few stories that could change the next few weeks of television. WWE bringing back banned wrestler. Now first up, WWE may be opening the door for a shocking return, because former WWE star Enzo Amore has reportedly been spotted around the WWE Performance Center. Whenever a former name appears there, fans immediately ask whether it means training, a meeting, a tryout, or a possible return. But in Enzo's case, this is more surprising, because for years it looked like WWE wanted nothing to do with him. After that infamous Survivor Series 2018 incident, where he appeared in the crowd in disguise and was removed from the building, the feeling was that he had burned the bridge badly. But in wrestling, very few doors stay closed forever. If there is business to be made, old problems can quickly become old history. This does not guarantee Enzo is coming back, but if WWE is even allowing him around again, that is a major change. Next up, WWE rebuilding a dead division. WWE may finally be ready to fix one of its weakest areas, and that is the tag team division. For months, the division has felt cold, thin, and badly in need of new energy. There are talented teams, but the presentation has not made the titles feel important. Now reports suggest WWE wants to rebuild the division and may even look at bringing in or signing more tag teams. That sounds positive, but it also raises a question. If WWE knew the tag division needed help, why were so many teams released, split, ignored, or allowed to disappear from television? WWE helped create this problem, so now they need to fix it. One rumor connected to this is the old team of Enzo and Big Cass, especially with Cass's contract situation being talked about. A reunion like that would get attention, but nostalgia alone cannot rebuild a division. The tag division needs real stories, strong champions, believable contenders, and TV time. Next up, John Cena has a strict WWE policy. John Cena has made something very clear about his future in WWE, and for fans hoping to see him take one more bump, this is not the update they wanted. Cena has explained that he is serious about retirement from in-ring action and has adopted what he calls a no falls down policy. In simple terms, he is not planning to get physical in the ring anymore. That means no bumps, no surprise matches, and probably no more attitude adjustments. For longtime fans, that is difficult to hear, because Cena always felt like someone who could return for one more moment, but now it sounds like he wants to stay connected to WWE without putting his body through matches. Cena still clearly cares about WWE, the brand, and the fans. The question now is where he fits. Could he become part of special projects, ambassador work, or the rumored John Cena Classic? Whatever happens, Cena's in-ring career looks finished, and WWE needs to protect that final chapter. Next up, WWE star responds to Backlash. Chelsea Green has responded after receiving online criticism connected to the WWE and UFC crossover. Several WWE names were connected to UFC-related appearances, and Chelsea was one of the wrestlers fans focused on the most. Some fans were upset because of the political attention around the event, while others argued performers were simply doing booked work. Chelsea then responded online by making it clear that doing her job and supporting causes she cares about are not opposite things. That statement did not calm everyone down, because social media rarely gives anyone a clean exit. This is the tricky position WWE stars are now in under TKO. WWE and UFC are becoming more connected, which means wrestlers may be placed in situations that fans judge politically, even if the talent sees it as a work appearance. This probably will not be the last time a WWE star has to explain one of these crossovers. Next up, real reason WWE is bringing back house shows. Next up, WWE is bringing back more house shows, and the reason actually makes a lot of sense. When Tico took over, one big change was reducing the live event schedule, and at first, many people supported that decision. The old WWE schedule was brutal, with talent working TV, travel, media, and house shows. But now WWE seems to have realized that cutting back too much creates another problem. Young wrestlers need reps. They need matches in front of real crowds where they can experiment, learn timing, and build confidence without every moment being judged on live TV. That is where house shows can help. The plan appears to be a balanced version, with younger talent getting experience and established names helping carry the card without overworking everyone. House shows should not damage the roster, but they are useful for development. If WWE keeps the schedule lighter and tickets more accessible, bringing them back could be a smart move. Next up, WWE is high on this new wrestler. WWE appears to be very happy with Danhausen's early success, and the merchandise numbers are turning heads. According to the transcript, WWE officials praised him during a company meeting and said he has quickly become one of their strongest merchandise sellers. That matters because merchandise tells WWE who fans are willing to spend money on. Online reactions are good, but fans buying shirts is a different level of support. Danhausen is a unique act, and that can be both a blessing and a risk. The blessing is that he stands out immediately. The risk is overexposure. If WWE pushes too hard or explains the character too much, the act could lose its charm. WWE needs to handle him carefully. Let him stay strange, let the audience enjoy him, and do not turn him generic just because the merch is working. Next up, WWE employees getting time off. WWE employees are reportedly being given time off around the July 4th week, and this may not sound huge, but it says a lot about how the company is trying to manage people. WWE has always been known for a non-stop schedule, and for years people inside the company were expected to keep moving no matter what. The report says employees will receive the week leading into July 4th off, and if certain staff are needed for the Raw and SmackDown double taping in late June, they will get another day off to make up for it. The word employee is important, because WWE talent are not always classified the same way as office staff or production workers. Still, the double taping suggests WWE is trying to create a break for talent too. In a business where burnout is always a concern, even small scheduling changes matter. Next up, truth behind WWE ticket prices were also discussed, and the answer probably will not make everyone happy. WWE's explanation is that the market dictates pricing. In business terms, WWE charges what it believes fans. Next up, WWE has reportedly confirmed that Night of Champions in Saudi Arabia is still going ahead, despite concern over conflict in the Middle East. Whenever WWE runs a major international show, especially in Saudi Arabia, there are always business, travel, and safety questions. But according to the transcript, WWE does not appear concerned enough to change plans, and the event is still scheduled to move forward. That is not really surprising, because WWE's Saudi deal is one of the company's biggest international partnerships. Unless there is a major reason that forces a change, WWE is usually going to continue with those shows. From a fan perspective, the bigger question is whether WWE treats Night of Champions like a major event or just another spectacle. Next up, WWE officials are reportedly very happy with the Brock Lesnar return angle, even though fan reaction has been mixed. From WWE's side, Brock returning created shock, headlines, and clips. That is probably enough for executives to call it a success. But for many fans, the problem was the timing. WWE had just presented Brock's retirement like an emotional moment, and bringing him back so quickly made that farewell feel less meaningful. If Brock is heading toward a final match later, WWE may believe this is part of a bigger story. But the risk is real. If fans feel manipulated instead of entertained, the angle can backfire. WWE may be happy internally, but they should not ignore why fans were frustrated. Next up, things are looking rough for Aleister Black, also known as Malachi Black, after MJF made brutal comments in a recent interview. Mishev suggested that EU's locker room improved after certain people left, and he specifically pointed toward Malachi Black as someone who viewed EU more like a stepping stone than a home. Those are strong words, and the comments quickly became a major talking point. The message was basically that some wrestlers came into EU, used it while hoping to get back to WWE, and then discovered that the grass was not always greener. Whether fans agree with MJF or not, this damages Black's image because it feeds old rumors about his EU run. In wrestling, perception matters. If promoters believe someone is difficult to book, options can become limited fast. A return to EU looks unlikely right now, and a WWE return may not be simple either. Black is talented, but talent alone does not fix damaged relationships. And finally, Goldberg has shut down talk of another match. After his retirement match against Gunther, there were still rumors that Goldberg might want one more chance, mostly because his farewell was not presented the way he wanted. His retirement speech was cut off on the live broadcast, and he has made it clear that he was not happy about that. Because of that frustration, fans wondered if he might come back for another final moment. But now, Goldberg has said he is retired and does not plan on wrestling again. Honestly, that is probably the right call. The Gunther match was not presented perfectly, but if Goldberg needed a final opponent, Gunther was the right choice. The question now is whether Goldberg and WWE can repair the relationship for future appearances or Legends projects. The in-ring side seems finished, but Goldberg's connection to WWE history is still there. So there you have it. Those are the biggest WWE news stories and wrestling rumors making the rounds right now. What do you think about WWE possibly bringing Enzo back, John Cena refusing to take bumps, the house show return, and MJF burying Aleister Black? Let us know your thoughts, because this week's wrestling news is full of controversy and signs about where WWE is heading next.